So guys, after you have successfully set up your TikTok shop affiliate account, the next thing is to actually be consistent in posting video. And one of the major issues a lot of people face is actually buying the product themselves, because according to TikTok policy, you have to buy the product and show the product whenever you are recording your video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you the best way to actually promote a lot of products without buying the product yourself. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So let's assume that you are getting started and you don't know how to actually get to TikTok shop. I make a previous video. I'm going to drop it inside the video description for you to watch. So you are going to come to this particular website, which is called Viral Ecom Adz. Though this particular website is going to be your best goal for you to get a lot of videos for you to actually post on the website. So let me show you some of the template of the video they produce on this particular platform. So I'm going to click on TikTok shop video sample to show you some of the proven video that this platform is producing, so you can buy and be posting on your TikTok shop to actually make sales and make commission. So it's loading up. It's going to take a while for it to load. While it's loading up, I will actually encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, and so that you're able to see some of the latest update that I'm dropping on this particular channel. So I'm going to play this video to show you some of the viral video this website do produce on a consistent basis. So let me play this one to show you exactly what the video you are going to get is going to look like. It's loading up. So this particular Vira income store is one of the best in the market right now. All we have to do is to actually come to their website and click on actually check out this TikTok package. So you can check that the TikTok package is going to cost you like $70 for you to actually get the video, which is going to be 5 videos for one product we are promoting. And what they're actually using creating this video is a viral script from the vendor themselves, and it is proven to actually work. So rest assured that if you are getting the video from them, you are going to make sales, because a viral script have probability of working on TikTok. So as you can see, these are the key metrics that we are getting using this particular product. As you can see, like 300 sales, this one is 3,000 sales, this one is 2,000 sales, this one is 6,000 sales. So rest assured that if you are using this particular video that are proven to work, you are going to make sales. So let's assume that you want to actually get started. You have to start your TikTok shop affiliate with using this faceless video. So you have to order from them, and you are going to pay like $70 for a non-member, like non-VIP member. So you are going to pay $70. And when you pay for that $70, you are going to get 5 faceless TikTok video for one product. So that means when you order now, they are going to make a video for you and be consistently making 5 videos that you can post for the next 5 days. So you are going to actually be getting those videos on a consistent basis. So, and this is the process it's going to take. The first one is to actually place your order, and you are going to submit the form of the kind of video you actually need, probably the product. So, and you are going to receive the video within 1 to 3 business days. And if you need revision, probably you don't really like the video they make, they can actually do the revision and deliver to you in just 7 days. So this is what you are going to get. You are not going to, whenever they want to deliver the video for you, there's not going to be sound inside the video, and it's going to take like, maybe the video duration should be around 7 to 10 seconds. So that means they are going to get the product for you, buy it from the vendor, or get the video ad for the vendor and make a video for you. So you are going to add a sound on your own. So like if you are a VIP member, this is where you are going to take the advantage of this platform, because for VIP member you are going to be paying just $17.50. So let's see the VIP member package. And if you actually want to subscribe for this particular platform, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description, and I have a coupon code for you can use. So VIP member, you can actually join, which is about 75% free for now. You can get a lot of video on this platform when you join the VIP member. So instead of you paying $70 for one video, you can actually get a lot of video, like maybe split test ad, TikTok shop split test, and TikTok shop affiliate package, and video ad package by just subscribing for that VIP member, which is $50 per month. So, and if you want to join, I have a coupon code for you. It's going to be inside this video description. I hope this video actually help you one way or the other, like trying to kickstart your TikTok shop affiliate. If you do, kindly give this video thumbs up. And if you actually have any opinion, maybe you don't really like the product, you have used it in the past, let me know in the comment section below so that we can actually discuss and see what we can do and how the platform can actually improve their services. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.